What's the maximum number of cases you can file with seller support before you get marked for spam? My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And in this video, I'm just going to simply answer the question. It's 10. Don't file more than 10 cases a day, or Amazon may temporarily remove your ability to file cases. Now, typically what happens is people are filing tickets for lost damages or lost items or a shipment gone missing. And that's usually where most of the bulk of these cases come from. And we ran into this a lot with our My Refund Guy service, where we go in and claw this back on behalf of our clients. So what we do is we just try and cap it at 10 per day, and then come back the next day and file another 10, come back the next day and file another 10. And we haven't run into any problems by staying under the 10 threshold. Now, if you get into the 20s, I almost guarantee you're going to get a note from Amazon saying, hey, you're filing too many cases. Please stop doing that. Simple video, just stay under 10. You'll be safe. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. For other tips like this, subscribe to my channel.